Hi, welcome everybody to Automation 2024. My name is Henry. I'm part of ADLINK Com team, which stands for Computer on Modules. And let's take a look at our new products and what we have to bring on the automation show this year. Let's start here. This is a kit based upon the MediaTek Genio 1200. And here we are having a demo of the DaVinci AI interface, which later we will show closer with the keyboard. Then, new products to bring. We have OSM-based IMX8M Plus and IMX93. This is a total new platform of computer on modules, which I think will take a huge share of the computer on module market. Then, on the SMARC product line, we have new for this year, we have Armstrong Lake. This is the new Intel release. Then we have upcoming IMX95. This will go to market in 2025. So we're one of the alpha partners of NXP, very important. And then we have a Qualcomm-based module, QRB5165, one of the fastest ARM CPUs you can actually have in such a small package. And then, of course, we have the MediaTek Genio 1200, which is here.